Hi students, this video is to help you use the drawing tools inside the Vex VR robotic simulator. So the first thing we need to do is to get into the Vex VR system. So we need to find a Vex VR link in Google Classroom, open that up and open the Vex VR coding environment. Okay. If you have any old code from a previous project, you might want to go to File and New Blocks Project to clear things out. And to preload the playground, you can click on Playground. That takes a while to load up on many devices like Chromebooks, so you can get started with that. I prefer for this activity the overhead view rather than the behind view. That is with this here, and we don't need all that data at the top right now. Okay, before you may have noticed in using this that we can get the computer to drive forward for 200 millimeters, and then to simulate that, you can press play and it will go forward the amount that you asked. Press stop and we want to make sure we always reset it back to the beginning. Okay, now what we want to do is play with the pen tools. Now the pen tools are over here in looks, and moving the robot pen down, that puts a pen down onto the page. So with this block, we could choose up or down. We're going to ask the pen to go down now. And you can see when we simulate, it leaves a line right here. So our goal here is to make a letter. So let's try to make the letter L. So what we can do is we can have this go up maybe 600 millimeters. So let's try that. We'll reset and have it go up, and it made a nice line. It's about 3 boxes long. Okay, so then what do we need to do? We need to get back down to here and then turn right and have it go forward maybe about 2 boxes. So I'm noticing that every 200 millimeters, it goes 1 box up. So now we don't need to write on the way back. So let's move the pen into the up position and then have it go backwards for the same amount that we had it go. So we're going to have it drive in reverse 600 millimeters. So now we're putting the pen down and we're having it drive forward 600 millimeters. Then we're going to move the pen up, meaning not drawing anymore, and have it back up to where it started. So let's try that out. And it's going back. Great, so we have part of the L done. Now we need it to turn right 90 degrees. So to have it turn right 90 degrees, we need it turned right 90 degrees. And then we want the pen to go back down again. So we'll draw. And lastly, we need it to go forward. So let's try that. And watch what happens. It's going to turn right and go forward. And I think that bottom part could be a little longer. So I'm going to make that 400 millimeters and reset it and then try it one more time. We're going to simulate that and turn right. And there we have an L. All right, so that's how you draw a letter. You can put the pen up or down and then have it draw some sort of picture. All right, hopes that helps.